The Panasonic MC SB85K Rechargeable Vacuum Cleaner is a cordless stick vacuum that offers a hassle-free cleaning experience. With its tangle-free design and advanced features, this vacuum aims to provide efficient cleaning performance for your home. Here's my detailed review of the Panasonic MC SB85K Vacuum Cleaner. The Panasonic MC SB85K features a sleek and ergonomic design that is lightweight, making it easy to maneuver around your home. The vacuum is well built and feels sturdy, ensuring durability for long-term use. The matte finish gives it a modern and premium look, adding a touch of elegance to your cleaning routine.
Let's take it slow.
One of the standout features of the MC SB85K is its cordless operation. The absence of a cord eliminates the hassle of plugging and unplugging, providing freedom of movement and making it easier to clean hard-to-reach areas. This cordless design also allows for quick and convenient cleaning, without being restricted by power outlets. The vacuum comes with useful accessories like a dusting brush and a mattress nozzle. The dusting brush is excellent for cleaning delicate surfaces, such as furniture, shelves, and electronics. The mattress nozzle efficiently removes dust, allergens, and debris from your mattresses, ensuring a cleaner sleeping environment. The telescopic two-way nozzle is a versatile attachment that allows you to reach both high and low areas with ease. This feature is particularly handy for cleaning ceilings, corners, and under furniture. It offers flexibility and adaptability to different cleaning scenarios, improving the overall efficiency of the vacuum. The MC SB85K is equipped with a house dust sensor, which detects the level of dust particles in your surroundings. This feature automatically adjusts the suction power according to the detected dust levels, optimizing cleaning performance and energy consumption. It ensures efficient cleaning while preserving battery life. The suction power of the MC SB85K is impressive, effectively picking up dust, dirt, and debris from various surfaces, including hardwood floors, carpets, and rugs. The vacuum's performance is satisfactory for regular cleaning sessions, but it may struggle with larger debris or deep-seated dirt particles. While the Panasonic MC SB85K offers an overall satisfying cleaning experience, there are a few areas where it could be improved. Firstly, the dust canister capacity is relatively small, requiring frequent emptying during extended cleaning sessions. Additionally, the vacuum's nose level is slightly higher compared to some competitors, although it is not overly disruptive.
Let's take it slow.
The Panasonic MC SB85K Rechargeable Vacuum Cleaner is a reliable and convenient cleaning tool that provides cordless operation and a range of useful accessories. Its lightweight design, house dust sensor, and versatile attachments make it a suitable choice for everyday cleaning tasks. Although it has a few minor limitations, the MC SB85K offers efficient cleaning performance and ease of use, making it a valuable addition to any household.